I'm Tiffany Hooten, Director of Finance and Administration for Highlands Ranch Water. Every couple of months, you receive a water bill, and it can be confusing to understand what's on that water bill. Today, I want to talk through the 6 charges that make up your bill and how each one helps keep our community strong. First is water charges. This is the water you use rounded to the nearest thousand multiplied by the current rate. It is important to try to stay under your water budget to not only save water, but also save you money. If you exceed your water budget, you will be charged at a higher rate. Think of your water budget like this glass. The water inside represents what you use each month. As long as the water stays inside the glass, you pay the standard current rate. But if you hit the top, anything that spills over is water used beyond your budget, which is charged at a higher rate. Staying inside the glass saves you money. Overflowing means you will see higher charges. Next is the water service availability fee, a fixed fee that helps us provide service to our community. It supports things like debt service, billing, meter replacements, and major repairs. Next is the wastewater charges. This is made up of a fixed fee plus your average winter water use. This is like the cleanup crew that covers the safe collection and treatment of everything that goes down your sinks, your showers, and your toilets. It's like paying the garbage collector. You don't see the process, but you definitely want it taken care of responsibly. Next is the infrastructure improvement fee. This is similar to putting money aside for major home repairs. This charge helps us fund future capital projects that are essential for keeping our system dependable for the long term. And finally, 2 fees we collect on behalf of the Highlands Ranch Metro District. The first is a streetlight fee to keep streetlights powered and maintained through Xcel Energy. Lastly is a stormwater fee that covers the cost of design, construction, and maintenance of stormwater facilities and ensures compliance with federal regulations. So remember, when you see these 6 charges, collectively, they ensure we have safe drinking water, reliable wastewater services, and a strong infrastructure every single day. Every payment you make ensures this essential system remains strong for your home, your family, and the entire community. For more information, please visit highlandsranchwater.org.